everyone, hello liver friend, welcome to my canal, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please feel welcome, and thank you for everyone that has subscribed. If you're looking for ways to customize your channel, this is the easiest way that you can customize your YouTube account. And then you click on your profile picture, the little circle up there, you see, you click there. Then if you're using a computer or a laptop, you click on your channel and go to customize channel. But if you're using your phone, you click on your profile picture, you go down and click on your data in YouTube. Then you see, you go down to your YouTube dashboard, then you click more, you click on subscription, then you might see all this video that you might have subscribed to or that you watch more often. And then you can go up to your profile picture, you go to your profile picture, sorry for that, and you go to your YouTube studio. Then you see this. So you come on the side, you see your channel and your profile picture there. You go all the way down to customization. You see these stars here with a stick, you click on customization. Then you will see layout, branding, and basic info. We start with the layout. Layout, that's where there's the trailer for the people who haven't yet subscribed to your channel, and down there is a trailer for the people who have already subscribed to your channel. So we usually come here on these dots on the side. If you have nothing yet, let me remove so that we can do together afresh. So here you have the video that you want the people who haven't subscribed to see when they visit your channel. So you come, you add. If you have videos, you choose one of your videos. Choose one of your videos. That's the one I want. Then people who haven't yet subscribed to see. And then down here is for the people who have subscribed, the video that they will see when they visit your channel. So let me remove and we do this together too. So you click on add and you choose the video that you want your returning viewers or your subscribers to see when they come back to your channel. So let me just choose one. Then you go down, you scroll down, you will see here. Yeah, if you have any shorts on your channel, you can add shorts here. You can add more sections here. You can add section, you can add uploads, popular uploads, short videos, past live streams, all that kind of stuff. But as you become more familiar with the YouTube, you will learn all those things. And then here down you can add playlist. For me, I have 3 playlists. You can, here on the side on the dots, you can either remove the section and when you remove, you can create more sections. So for me, I've done 3 types of videos. I've done about motherhood, I've done about lifestyle, and I've done about tutorials. So I've added 3 different playlists. You can add playlists according to the way you want. You can add one playlist of all your videos, or you can add different playlists according to the videos that you've done. It's up to you, because it's your channel. You figure out how you want it to be. Like here are the one my videos. So that's it with the layout. And then you go to branding, click on branding in between there after layout. Then here in branding, that's where you change your profile picture or add your profile picture. And then it's the same place where you change your banner or add your banner, and also the place where you add your watermark or change your watermark. That's about it with the branding area. And then after that you go to the basic info. On basic info, this is where your name is, and where your channel description is, and where you can also add translate your channel description into different languages. You can see I've already added some languages, so this is where you can change the information of your channel description, or add information, or even delete. This is where you can do all that. And then after you're done with all that, you come here and click publish. The part publish will be blue like this, so you click publish. Don't forget, otherwise any changes you've made will not have published if you don't click on publish when you're done. So that's it. Good luck with your channel. I hope it goes well with you. Thank you.